everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm currently in Bangalore and actually I'm riding to a secret place that my friend suggested, and it's a very short ride, like 100 km only, and it does look like it's going to rain, but there's the sun as well. And today is a holiday, it's Bakri Eid by the way, so yeah, that's the reason I thought I should take it out for a short spin in Bangalore with me. So I'm going solo this time. I don't have any companion as such with me. I'm going fully solo. I just thought I'll go to that secret place, chill, and then come back. Maybe have a breakfast in between. Although it does look like it's just a straight highway from here, like 84 kilometers. It was basically 100 kilometers from my place, so I covered around 20 kilometers. Just 80 kilometers more to go now. I'm actually on the airport road, so the airport is actually on the left, and this road also leads to Nandi Hills. So, but I'm going ahead of Nandi Hills this time. So I just refueled my tank, and now I'm heading towards the secret place. But before that, I may stop for a breakfast, because where I'm heading there's nothing, no stall, no restaurant, nothing. So I will have to be prepared in that way. यार बैंगलोर का क्या मौसम है यार, क्या ही मौसम है यार, मस्त भाई, बढ़िया। मैंने डिसीजन लिया मुंबई से निकल के बैंगलोर आने का, दैट टू एट द एंड ऑफ मे। मतलब लेजिट रात को क्या ठंडा हो जाता, और एक दिन तो पूरा बारिश हुआ था ना, ओ हो वो बारिश का खुशबू प्लस क्या ही मस्त लग रहा था, एकदम चिल मौसम हो गया था। नाउ ऑल्सो इट इज काइंड ऑफ चिल ओनली, इट्स लाइक 24 डिग्री। Just amazing, man. So yeah, I have just stopped here before taking the left turn, just to check, because मुझे ना थोड़ा बाइक में थोड़ा इशू ऐसा लग रहा था कि it was shifting more on the left side. I don't know, it may be on because of the wind or tire. मैं सोचा कि टायर प्रेशर भी चेक करूँ, but tire looks fine. I don't know, but it does feel like, you know, the bar grill has shifted. I don't know what has happened. Maybe मेरे को सर्विस सेंटर देना पड़ेगा. On top of it, there are two modifications that I've done. One is the new navigation system by Aoshi. This is the C6. Earlier I had the Simtech one. I had a lot of issue with Simtech, man. Really, at one point I was just fed up with that system, so I went for this one. This is a very nice system. So far अभी तक कुछ issue नहीं आया, no issue as such. The second thing is the DCAT pipe by Art of Motorcycles. This is the DCAT pipe. I have removed the resonator, the stock resonator, and this has made my bike at least 2 kg less. Yeah, and this is how it sounds. It's very bassy also, the sound is very bassy. Oh, I just love the sound, man. I don't know, जब से मैं राइड कर रहा हूँ मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है ये चीज़ चलाने में. Yeah, so these are the two modifications that I've done till now. Hope to do more. Not now, but obviously I need to fix my bike before that. Let's see first. what we can eat now. Something light. Oh man, it's just so good to come back to my beauty. It's looking so good, man, from the behind as well. I love it. I just had breakfast. Idli, sambar as usual, and a coffee. I prefer to keep it very light during rides. It's just that if you eat heavy, then you'll have more washroom breaks, and that is not good during long rides. So that's the reason I always prefer to have idli only. I might go to a service center and get the bike checked just in case, because I don't want any issue to come up, because I'm kind of leaving to Mumbai again on Monday or Tuesday probably. But even if so, I just want the bike to be fully, checked and to be proper. I don't want any issue coming up on the highways. So because of the wind, I don't know, it may be because of the wind that it is wobbling a lot, but I feel that the front fork suspension or probably something, there might be an issue. You see a lot of riders, bikers as well I'm seeing today. It's a holiday, by the way, so obviously log aayenge hi. Another thing is why I did go for the Decat rather than the exhaust. I was actually going for the exhaust. मैं Norifumi या PowerEdge में बहुत choose करा था, but then I was also thinking on the context that कि मुझे traffic police बहुत बार पकड़ेंगे and it will be kind of very loud. The exhaust का जो sound है, it will be very loud. DB killer भी रहेगा, but still I just thought I should go with a Decat for now, and maybe in the future if I thought of going for a different exhaust, why not? See, it is all kind of like a performance mode, right? If I have a new exhaust, I may have to put the Power Dynamic Fuel X Pro as well. वो सब I have to consider that as well. So मैं बोला कि अभी वो सब investment करने से better है the Decat is better. Easy. Oh, this is so good. So this is the lake that I was talking about, the secret spot. Well, this is the lake. I chilled here for almost an hour or so. Just clicking a lot of photos, taking some videos, snapshots. Oh my god. But this feels so good, man. I don't know when will be the next time I'll be coming to Bangalore. That's the thing. I took my own sweet time here. Took whatever the photos I want. So it's good. So now I'm heading back home. I'm already tired. I'm also sweating. The temperature is 28 degree, but still, I'm sweating because I was just wearing. I didn't remove my jacket. I was in my jacket all the whole time. So now, so now we are going back. I'm going to end the vlog here only because it was a short, simple ride, nothing else. If you guys have watched it till here, please do hit the like button, do share, and also subscribe. It's very important that you subscribe now. Okay, if you guys like my content, please do subscribe to it as well. See you guys directly in the next vlog. I'm obviously going to leave from Bangalore on Monday or Tuesday. Hopefully by Monday. I'm guessing so. By Monday I'll leave, so I'll also be vlogging that time from Bangalore to Mumbai. Let's see, probably this time I might I might not do the whole stretch of Bangalore to Mumbai, but I might do to Bangalore to Kolhapur or Bangalore to Pune, because again I'll be accompanied by my sister here, so I don't want to take risk. For now, see you guys directly in the next vlog.